impossible, believe me.
What's up everyone, and welcome to my first lifestyle video. Okay guys, I am so hungry. I'm about to go eat something. What do I want to eat? I have some leftover patty. Comment below, you guys, if you say the word patties. If you're Jamaican and you say the word patties, comment below. My husband be like, what is the heck is patties? It's patty. Look yummy, right? I know. So the Jamaican patties is from Golden Crust and the crab leg is from Publix. Yummy. I cannot wait to tear this up. I'm so hungry. I don't have no angle in my microwave because it has been broken. Sorry about that. I know. I'm one of those people who don't cover their food unless, you know, gravy's in the plate and I don't want it to be splashed up all over in the microwave. Then I will cover my food, but for the most part I don't really cover my food. So I'm drinking some cranberry juice and orange juice mixed together. And then now my food is pretty warm. Guys, I'm about to go eat. Cause your girl is super hungry. I'm so hungry. Ooh. Ooh. The patty is hot. Guys, my grandma inside watching her soap opera. Comment below if your grandma watch Days of Our Lives and The Young and the Restless. Oh, there she go coming. There's my grandma right there, y'all. How you doing, grandma?
I'm okay with you. I'm alright. With God, thanks, I'm here.
Amen. Should not be eating this. You know why? Because your girl on a strict diet. I hope the New Year's is going well so far for you guys. So I finished 8. It looked like it's going to rain today, you guys. Even though it looked like it's going to rain, it's still a beautiful day. Very beautiful. Alright guys. So I purchased this dress off Amazon.com. Oh my god, it looks so good on her, and that's what made me wanted to actually purchase it, because I was like, oh my god, that is sexy. But anyhow, let's see how this fits. I have a good feeling that this dress is going to fit me really, really good. Don't you think so? Say yeah. Say yes! I ain't going to try it on if you ain't going to say yes. Alright? So let's bring it. This is too much sugar in the Kool-Aid. There's a lot of sugar in the Kool-Aid right here. A lot of sugar in the Kool-Aid. It's a little short now. So for all my ladies who are very conservative, this will not be for you, because this is a little bit too short. Let me turn around and show you the back. This is how, yeah. You can't even tell there's a zipper in the back, because I didn't even know until I looked very closely. Oh, this gotta go. This has to go. Every single day, Monday through Saturday, I will be going to the gym, because this has to go. Okay guys, here's a moment. that you all have been waiting for. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how I make my curry chicken. I'm so excited. This will be my first time cooking on my channel. Please go ahead and click on the link above if you like my hair and check out that video. These are the stuff that you're going to be needing. Go ahead and get your chicken, and you're going to go ahead and take it out the bag. This is how it looks when I take the skin off the chicken. And these are the skin here from the chicken. And now I'm going to clean out this section right here and then cut it up as well. Alright, so now I finished cutting up the chicken. I'm going to wash it with some vinegar. I'm going to peel my ginger. I don't cut these too small because once it's cooked, I just, I want to take it out the pot. I'm showing you how I cook my curry chicken, you guys. Aren't you excited? I am. Let me know in the comment box if you try it out and let me know how it comes out. All I'm doing is just cutting up the seasoning right now. Alright, this is how it looks. So what you're going to do is go ahead and put your seasoning on the chicken. It doesn't matter which order you put it in. Alright, this is how it looks. Now you're going to go ahead and get your Jamaican seasoning. I'm going to use the Jamaican combo seasoning first. Garlic powder. Get the black pepper. Wrong side. I'm going to use the Jamaican curry powder. I use this bad boy a lot. I love curry. Oh my god. Now this is how it looks. Now I'm going to get a big spoon and stir it around. I didn't apply too much curry on here because I'm going to apply more in the pot, so turn on the stove. Extra virgin oil to cook with, and I just put in just a little bit of oil in there. I cook with seasoning now, and then I will go back and put more seasoning on top of it. I'm going to leave these in the bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and add more to it later on. And once again, you guys, I'm not a chef. This is just how I cook my Jamaican chicken. Going to get your pot covered. You're going to cover the pot while you're cooking. Whoa. Alright. Not sure if you can see what is going on. Looking yummy. Let it sit there and cook down some more. But honestly, you guys, it's looking really, really good. And not because I'm cooking it. I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot back and let it cook some more. Use Uncle Ben rice to cook with. This is not sponsored. My rice pot right here. I'm going to plug it in. Alright. Go ahead and put this in here. Guys, if you don't have one of these, I put it on white rice. Guys, if you don't have one of these, go ahead and get it right now. It will save your life. Oh my god. Yeah. I love to put garlics and scallions into my white rice just for flavor. That's it, you guys. Best ever. You gotta get this. If you don't have a rice cooker, get one. Guys, use a cutting board. Sometimes I just do stuff shorthand. I'm gonna add just a little bit of more water so the potato could cook. Turn the stove up just a little bit so the water could go down and the potato will cook faster. And this is how I cook my Jamaican curry chicken. Look at that.
I will find you. Back up.
Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys had fun. This is my first vlog, you guys. First lifestyle vlog. There are a lot more to come, so stay tuned for that. Cooking video that you saw was previously recorded, in case if you guys wondering. If you'd like me to cook something, comment below. Today was a very long day and I'm so tired. Hope you guys like my first lifestyle video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, support your girl. Be blessed.